Big data gives us great information, but it's beyond the data, right? It's about how do you make sense of what that data is. So it's great to have all of that information, but how do you turn that information into action? And that's really what you need to drive towards, because you need to bubble up to the surface what the true risk is, and that's the challenge.
We talk about analytics, we talked about predictive analytics and predictive behaviors, and really what it allows you to do is identify the opportunities and really use that data to educate and share it across the organization.
Where are you going to focus the attention and the expertise of your individuals, your compliance and your risk and your safety expertise in the organization, and how do you turn that expertise towards where the true risks are? What is that data telling you? And how do you allow yourself to focus on the true actions that need to happen?
Well, we've invested in a driver scorecard. We're pulling in accident information. We're pulling in driver record information. We have real-time telematics feeds. And what it does is it just creates one big picture.
It certainly allows the simplicity of information. So you can easily identify those outliers. It allows fleet managers, I think, to really get in front of things before anything happens. It allows you to push out the right kinds of driver training modules, safety modules, and so on, and reinforce the right behaviors, and then correct the ones that you need to correct. So I think certainly having all of those tools, it does create the right picture, and that's, I think, what we've been able to do with a lot of our analytics products that we have out today.